You had the main elevator at the Bloomingdale's.
Oh, original AT&T phone. Look at that.
What the hell?
When you push the button, then it'll chime. When you push the button, it'll chime. Slam.
Damn.
There's a general. This was originally a square button. Those doors slam. What is that?
I thought you said this thing was an add-on.
It is an add-on. No, the other one's an add-on.
Oh, okay.
This is original from '68. The other one's from...
Oh, this is the indicator. I thought this was the indicator. What the fuck?
There is 2 indicators, but that one's fully burned out.
I want to see if I could trick this door.
No way. It's interesting how there's it's interesting how there's blue there, almost like Dover blue.
Motor.
Watch the door slam.
You ruined my chime sample. We're gonna do it again.
Alright, watch the door slam. I love that.
GM, JetPlus fixtures, 88 phone,
3,500 pound capacity.
3,500 pound capacity.
Let me get a look at the buttons.
Quiet. Auto call stations, GAL. Yes.
Echo phone.
I'm gonna get my cab view.
It's weird. There.
GAL,
I thought there
JetPlus
was another one.
fixtures.
Alright, let's end on 2 so we can go to the garage.
Instant door close this thing.
Just have to hold it down. It's almost like a Dover.
I still gotta get photos, you know.
Dang it.